Go ahead. And that's with the Oregon electric chainsaw, and they're really quiet for your neighbors. All right, let's get rid of all the brush off the end of it. I'll pull it up here where we're gonna pile it. Let me come on towards you. All right. And that battery will cut limbs like this for a solid hour or more. And I've got several batteries here, and I just keep the batteries charged and keep on going. So these little Oregon electric chainsaws, even Peanut and the other guys couldn't believe they really worked the way they did until they got out here and used them. Hey Peanut, do you know how to sharpen the teeth on that? Have you been doing it? I've hit a few things with it. Oh yeah. Now you're about good to go.